Hi, I'm Michael Landis with the Wildflower Seed Company. Today I'm going to be showing you our telescopic cut and hold pruner. This pruner goes from 4 feet and it extends every 6 inches to a total height of almost 7 feet. When extended, you can reach almost, 15 feet in the air. Here I'm going to be demonstrating picking a citrus, an orange. So you come up, you will stick it just on the stem. Just cut and it holds onto it. This can be placed right into the basket without climbing the tree or getting on a ladder. Even a beautiful arbor such as this rose arbor needs to be deadheaded to keep it blooming. Notice our tool holds. Everybody has one that cuts, but ours will cut it and hold onto it. This will work great for bougainvilleas, collecting fruit. It'll make a cut up to 1/2 inch in diameter. Pruning trees becomes a lot easier. Make your life a lot easier and safer. Stay off the ladder, stay out of the tree. The telescopic cut and hold pruner from the Wildflower Seed Company. www.wildflower-seed.com. Happy gardening.